we're making our way downtown, walking in sand, and we're cruising in Destin. Yo, it's your boy back again, man. What's good? What's good? Good. But hey, today is my first shoe haul of 2019. As you can see, man, we got some dope pair of shoes here today, and also got some shoe cleaner. Some shoe cleaner that I like, that I approve. I'm gonna give you a little details of how to use it towards the middle end of this video. But first, I want to start off, man. We have here is the orange Nike Air Force 1 LV8 utility. Man, this was a shoe that I've been watching for a while. I know they came out with a white and black pair. I kind of like those, but then again, I was like, they're still white and black. Then they came out with a highlighted pair, like highlighted yellow. And I was like, I kind of like them. But then when they came out with this orange pair, man, I was like, oh my gosh, I want these. And I'm not sure why I didn't get them when they first came out. I'm not sure if I was in the middle of moving. I think that's what happened. But give you guys a closer look. This is the shoe. There you go. See that on the back. Got this. That's how it looks on the front. And you have words right here as well. It says Nike and the swoosh name and stripe are trademarks and your guarantee of quality swoosh. So man, this is a dope shoe, bro. At the bottom, regular bottom. This is a real deep orange, I think. Real deep. Yeah, I like it. I mean, I approve it. I found a few outfits to wear with it. May be difficult, may not be, but man, if you guys want to check these out, man, make sure you guys go check out the utility. Like I said, they do come in white and black. They come in yellow, and they also come in this orange. I'm not sure if it's another color. If I am, let me know down in the comments below. Like I said, Nike are sold out of these. I did not see these on Nike. Last pair I saw on Nike, I think, was the white and black, and that was it. And now we're gonna move to the next shoe, which is the Nike Zoom 2K. These are a dope shoe, man. These were inspired to me by a YouTuber. She's on Instagram as well. Her name is Sharlina. She's in London, the UK. She has about 1.5 million followers on Instagram. I saw her. She uploaded this shoe. I think she uploaded a white and cream pair in the beginning. Well, I think that was the first time I saw these, and I was like, oh my gosh. And then my girlfriend sent me a picture, and she was like, oh my gosh as well. So we had like a mutual liking of this shoe. This right here is a size 8 in women. I also picked up a pair of these. Like I said, they're the Nike Zoom 2K in a size 8. You guys want to get a closer look. Like I said, I mean, it feels like it's a comfortable shoe. I feel like it was nicely made. It has zoom right here. It has zoom right there. And I mean, it's a dope shoe. It was only 85 bucks. $85, man. I'm sure this shoe will go up eventually. $85 is a nice grab for this shoe. It's pretty dope. I'm gonna show you the men's as well. I mean, for $85, I was like, I can't let this pass. And then I will be picking up probably 1 or 2 more pairs. I know for sure I want to pick up the all white. Ooh, excuse me. I want to pick up the all white and cream. So, like, this is the men's pair. Might be long, it's size 12, anyways. But yeah, it looks the same. Kind of like this Zoom Air, like bubble right here. Kind of puts a nice little touch to the shoe. Like I said, it's a real nicely felt shoe. Hoping it's comfortable. I know when I tried it on, it felt amazing. And one thing about these shoes, so I don't know if you know, Nike lately has been doing like the little sock thing where everything is connected to like the tongue and the heel is all connected. So I'm not sure how they would work for like wide feet, but I mean, I just have a long, narrow foot, so they work pretty good for me. They work kind of snug, so your feet will feel like they're just in there real tight, snug in there. So I guess Nike want to kind of make this like I don't know. I guess it's a hybrid shoe, kind of like a training, walking shoe. But you can also wear it as casual because, I mean, to me it looks nice. So for $85, man, I couldn't turn it down, man. I could not turn this down for $85. And I also grabbed my girlfriend a pair as well. And back to these were $99. I'm not sure if that is regular price or what, but I ended up catching these for 99 bucks. I think when I first looked in, I think they were running like 120, 130, close to that. I know resale, they were pretty up there as well with resale value, but I won't be selling these. I'm going to be keeping these because I really like these. And now we're going to move to the shoe cleaner. This is Crep Protect, the ultimate rain and stain resistant barrier. I really like this, man. We spray almost all our shoes with this. Basically what you do is you basically get the shoe and you spray it down and you sit down, let them dry overnight. I usually let mine dry overnight. I put 2 coats on them. Once it dries the first time, I spray it again. Then I put another coat on them and let them sit overnight. And by the time I'm ready to wear them, they'll have the Crep protection all over them. So basically, for like ladies, if you go out, or fellas, go out to the club, or if you go out to a restaurant, or if you're just out in the day, just if something happened, like you drop ketchup, mustard, anything, hot sauce, whatever. All you have to do is find some water, man, run over top of them, and the stain comes right off, man. It's really nice. It's a nice coat of resistance. It's been working for these, and these are some all-white Air Force Ones. Usually with all-white Forces, man, you have to buy these like every 2 weeks, but she's had these for a while. These are kids, size 6.5, and she's been keeping these clean so far, and she's real heavy on tennis shoes. So the Crep protection has been kind of doing a good thing for these. We haven't had the chance to actually wipe the little stains off that's on here. It's just minimum stains. So we haven't had the chance to wipe these off. But I did have some Air Jordan 5s that I ended up wasting. I had wasted some, I forgot what I wasted. I think I wasted some Kool-Aid on them. And I ended up cleaning them, got them real good, and everything came back to normal, which I was highly surprised because in the commercials, you know, you see like ketchup and all that. And yeah, and everything was good. And this right here we have is the Crep, the Ultimate Shoe Cleaner. And yeah, so this, you have your premium brush. The premium brush is pretty dope. The feel of this is like real wood. It's pretty dope. And then you have your cure. This is the cleaner. And they also give you a cure towel, which is pretty dope as well. So with this, basically I have a video coming out of how to use this later on, probably next weekend or whenever I drop this. It'll be coming soon, so guys, be on the lookout for this. Basically, you put this in a bowl. You get a bowl, put some cold, warm water in it. Drop about 2 or 3 little drops of this in there. Also put about 2 drops on this. Dip this into the bowl, and you just get to scrubbing. Hit all the areas, and yeah, it should take care of the job. If it doesn't, you probably have to use this probably like twice on the specific shoe. Depends on how dirty it is. But Crep is something that I've been using lately, and I kind of like it so far. I don't have any complaints. I mean, it's something that I would, refer to anybody. If you're looking for shoe cleaner, I say go the Crep way. And yeah, and so after all that, this is my first shoe haul of 2019. I have many more to come, so make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know some of the shoes you're looking forward to in 2019. I think some Air Max are coming out on the 24th of January that I'm looking forward, that I might be getting. And yeah, just let me know what shoes you guys are looking forward to in 2019. I will have a complete shoe, my shoe collection video coming soon. I will be recording that soon, so be on the lookout for that. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at jdonaldson901. Have it down here somewhere. Yeah, but anyways, man, I appreciate you guys, man. Like I said, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.